Welcome class 9 in the detailed description of syllabus, book and question paper pattern. In this video, I'm going to tell you about these three topics. First of all, we are facing ICSE board and our subject is computer applications. Now, in this subject, what we are having, I'm going to discuss now. Best book for ICSE 9th computer application is APC. Here we are having a board that is ICSE, subject name is computer application, and in this book we have to learn about one language that is Java. And we are having a Java APIs. API is application programming interface where we are supposed to run our programs. That is application programming interface. Whenever we are calling something application, it means some sort of software we are going to install in our system and we will run that software. That software is application. Programming, you are going to create programs on that. Interface, it is a medium so that you can communicate with the computer. A person can communicate with the computer with the help of programming by running one software in your system. You can communicate with the system. That is application programming interface. That software what we are using is BlueJ. We are having so many softwares. Somehow I'm going to name it. That is NetBeans. Few school prefers NetBeans. Few school prefer Eclipse. But from my point of view, for the student benefit, BlueJ is the most easiest one. That's why we prefer BlueJ software to run our system, whatever program we are going to create. And in 9th, the basic programming you have to learn. Not actually, Java is very vast language, very toughest language, but don't take it as tough. If you are able to achieve this language, you can able to handle any other language. That's why ICSE provide us Java so that we can able to learn this in 4 years. Java is the toughest language and hardest one. And if we are able to handle this language, we can face any language, anytime. That's why ICSE provide us the way we can handle this in our 3 to 4 years, 9th, 10th, even 11th and 12th. We can have this, but in 11th and 12th it is optional for you. You can have your Hindi subject also, you can have other subjects also, or you can have computer also. If you want to create your future in computer field, go with the subject. And now moving further, the syllabus of computer application. Chapter number 1 is Introduction to Object-Oriented Concept. Actually, Java is a language which is based on few concepts. That concept is object-oriented programming concept. We will discuss it later on. Whole portion is theoretical portion. I'm just giving you a small amount of knowledge for each and every subject and the topic. It is theoretical. Elementary concept of object in classes, chapter number 2. Both chapter 1 and 2 are interrelated with each other. Object in class is one of the principle of object-oriented programming. Few part is present in chapter 1. Chapter 1 and 2 were interrelated. Both are theoretical part. Then values and data types. Why we required data types, I'm going to tell you here. Somehow you know what is data type. int, char, long, double, this kind of things were data type. You know what is data? When we insert something in computer, that is data. And somehow we want to have our types also. Then it's said to be data types. In detail, I'm going to describe all these things in a rough outer sketch I'm going to provide you right now, so that you can able to understand what type of things you have to face in this year. It is also a theoretical part. Then we have operators in Java. You all know arithmetical operator, plus, minus, into, divide, and so many other operators were also there. Theoretical as well as logical. I'm going to provide you some sort of guess output so that you can identify when we apply some operator what type of output we are getting. And then the basic programming starts from chapter number 5, the programming introduction. At least 3 phases they are telling you. We have 4 5, but 3 introduction of 3 programming senses is present in chapter 5. And then in chapter 6 you have few methods, how you are going to deal with a mathematical method, so that you can able to handle these methods in your programs. It is more useful for handling so many problems. That's why I'm going to tell you mathematical function, and I'm going to tell you how these mathematical functions we are going to apply in programming. And then the main programming come from chapter 8, 9 and 10. You have to focus and you have to work harder, whatever you want to say, you can say. You have to work on 3 chapters, that is 7, 8 and 9. Conditional statement in Java, iterative constructor in Java, nested loops. Chapter 10 and 11, especially class 9th, chapter 10 is computing and ethics. It is a theoretical part where you are getting a knowledge about few scam, how we are going to deal with hackers and all. And then in 11 chapters, more on basic input output scanner and printer. Theory plus programming is there. 11 chapter is few on related with chapter 5. Somehow I'm going to describe about scanner in chapter 5 only. And one more thing, in this so many programming were present in chapter 11, which is not considered by me in 9th class. I'm going to consider it in class 10th only, because programming is related with some sort of string, and string chapter is present in class 10th. I'm going to deal with class all these things in class 10th only. But one thing, council reduced few chapters because of COVID-19, that is 9, 10 and 11. But I always prefer to teach chapter 9 because it is the most important chapter for class 10th. That's why I'm not reducing it. I'm going to tell to my student how we are going to create programs in that. And even in papers, I'm going to include this chapter. Means 1 to 9 I'm going to include. Anyhow. And then moving further. Now, paper pattern of 9th and 10th class, which is decided by ICSE board. It is of 100 marks. And you are getting only 2 hours for that. This paper is divided into 2 sections. Attempt all questions from section A and any 4 from section B. The intended marks for questions or a part of questions are given in brackets. Section A contains 40 marks. Answer all questions, means it is compulsory for you all. 4 questions will be there of 10 marks. You have to attend all for total 40 marks. Theoretical as well as logical part is there. And now moving further, Paper pattern of second part, that is section B, is of 60 marks. You have to attend any 4 questions out of 5, and each question contains 15 marks. Each and every question contains program. But in starting in first term, second term, maximum is theoretical part, and few of the part in second term and few of the part in third term you are getting programs. So if you want to achieve good marks, try to gain knowledge about programs, but theoretical concept is also needed because the basics should be there. So don't worry about programming, just be with me, try to gain knowledge what I am going to provide you. Whatever task I am giving you, do that task on time, and then you can able to clear your paper with good marks. All the best for this session. Goodbye.